In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Wix website step by step. First, head to your Wix dashboard and open the Setup area. From there, go to Catalog. This is the hub where all your store items live and where you'll create and manage them. Inside Catalog, choose New Product to start a fresh item. Wix will ask you what kind of product you're adding. Pick the type that best matches what you sell, like a t-shirt, shoes, or a skateboard. Your choice helps Wix surface the right fields and options for that product. Now you'll see the product editor. Work through each highlighted field on the page. Start with the essentials, like your product title and a clear description. Keep the title short and searchable, and write a description that sets expectations and answers the most common buyer questions. As you continue, you'll spot options to add a product label or ribbon. If you want the item to stand out, apply a new badge to draw attention while it's fresh in your catalog. Continue filling out the other highlighted fields. If you see fields for pricing, compare at price, SKU, or tags, add them now so your shoppers and your reports stay accurate. Tags and collections make items easier to organize and filter later. If a shipping or tax section appears, confirm that the product is assigned to your default rate group, so checkout calculates correctly. Next, add visuals. Click to upload images or videos of your product, then select your files. Use clean, high-resolution photos on a neutral background and include multiple angles. If you have variants like colors or sizes, include images that represent each option so customers know exactly what they're choosing. Scroll to Inventory. Click Quantity and enable Track Inventory Quantity. Enter the amount you have on hand. Tracking inventory helps prevent overselling and lets your site automatically mark items as out of stock when you run low. Adjust any other highlighted toggles relevant to your store setup, such as shipping requirements or visibility, so the product behaves exactly how you want on your storefront. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to your products list. Open your newly created item to double-check that the title, price, images, and inventory settings are correct. Then go back to the Products view. Use the filters, search, or view controls to find and manage your items more easily as your catalog grows. That's it. You've added a product to your Wix site, complete with details, media, and inventory tracking. Save your work often, and you'll be